Hi everyone! For today's video, I will going to show you how to create isometric drawing with circle in the figure or circular object in the figure. So now let's have a quick system check. First, make sure that the ortho mode is on, your F8. Also here, the object snap tracking is on. Also here, this object snap cursor is on, which is you are going to activate all of this. And also the transparency is on, and this show annotation object is always. Now you can change your cursor by clicking this one, the iso graph here. Or you can change it by using the snap style command, snap style. Then make sure that it's the value into 1. Okay, the new value into 1. And then we will going to activate or create another new layers. So we're going to add 2 new layers here. So let's add 2 layers. So again, 2 layers. So for layer 1, we will going to change this into figure. And then the color of our figure would be cyan. And then change the line width into 30. And then for here in layer number 2, the guidelines, we're going to change it into blue, color of blue. And then in line width of 15. Or let's have this one, 15. We have, okay? Make sure just activate the 0 and then close. And then first we will going to create the iso cube. So first let's just create the line from here for about 1. And then we will going to have a line again from here of 3. Okay, and then this one we're going to copy it going there of 1, 2, and 3. Then copy this one, copy, and then another here, go in here. Make sure that you're going to change the your iso plane by 6, and then just going to create 3. Also here, just going to create 2, and then 3. Okay, and then just going to create here by 4. Also here by 4. Okay, just going to you can copy this one. Copy this one. Here, go in here. And then just create this one. We're going to copy this one. From here, go in here and to here. Also this one, just going to copy it. Going down here by 1. And then we're just going to create a line from here. And then in here, just going to copy this one. You can copy this one by, make sure that the iso plane is here. So 1, 2 by 3. 3. Okay. And then copy this one by for about, I think, 1. Go in here. Go in here. 1, 2. Okay. And then just create the line from here, going down here. Accurate. So let's just copy that. Also here, just create a line from here, go there, 2. And then this one, just extend this one. Okay, just extend this one. And then we're going to create this one. Copy this line. Go in here of 1, 2, 3, 4. Using this line, we're going to copy it. Go in here, okay? And lastly, we have it in here. Going to copy it from here to here. Okay. And now we're done doing our first figures guideline. So just select all of this, and then just select this layer. And then after that, the layer, just going to lock it. Then we will going to start creating our figure by activating our layer figure here. And then just create a line from here up to here. Just the object given. also all the, what they call this, all the lines with lines. Okay, also here, from here, go in here, also here, go in here. Okay, and then I'm just going to create a line from here as our reference. Where's the center? This one. And then we're going to use the ellipse, EL, enter, Isocircle, using this reference, then change the direction of it, go in here. Again, EL, I, it's going to select in here, change the direction. Okay, again, EL, I, from here, go in, go in here. Okay, another reference, I don't see my reference here. Okay, for about 1.5, it's 0.5, it's 1.5, the radius of 1.5. Okay, make sure that it's in the radius of 1.5. And also here we're going to create what they call this again, the ellipse or isocircle in 2.5, because the sub cursor is off, so make sure it's on by 0.5. Okay, and then we're just going to trim. Before we trim this one, we just copy this one from, I think, from here, go in here. Okay, and then just like trim this one. Just need to trim this one. Also lahat ng circles na hindi kasali sa ating figure, we're going to trim this. Okay. So in here, I think the half of it, just trim the half of it. And then here, also here, just going to trim the lines that are not included to our figure. And then we will going to see from here, line from here, go in here, what's the, passes through, and then just trim this one, trim also this one, also in here, make sure that it's cleaned, trim, and then let's just move this one, I think, or just remove this one, just create the line from here, also here, and then another line go in here. Okay, the line that go in here, and then just trim the excess line. Okay, so make sure that if we have it, isocircle, and then here, as you can see, we have here another here for about radius of 45. Just we're going to create the fillet. So just FL, enter. So from here, the radius would be again F, enter, from here by 0.5, enter, and then select this one. Okay, again select all these two, fillet, radius of 0.5, this one, and then this one. Also here again, fillet, select all this line, fillet, radius of 0.5, and then select this line, go in here. Okay, and then we're done doing our first figure. So if we will going to turn off, or rather, if we will going to turn off our guidelines, you can see now our first figure done. So now for the figure number 2, we're going to create from here. Make sure that your cursor is isograph, so PL. Just going to create line from here, go in here, line from here, also line from here, go in here, go in here and go in here. Okay, and then just create line from here. I think here is going to create ellipse, isocircle here. So let's just change the direction like this one, and then you just need to copy this one from here, go in here, I think here, and then you just need to trim all the excess circle and lines that are not included to our given, just like this one that I'm doing here. Also here. Okay, so make sure that if you're going to trim, make sure that the layer for the guidelines is closed, so that are locked, so that it's not trimmed if you're going to select this one. Okay, so just like this one. Okay, and then we're just going to create another isocircle ellipse here, go in here, and then just trim all the excess lines and circle and arcs that are not included to our figure. Okay, and then we're just going to create the other details of our isometric. So we can use polyline. Again, from here, go in here, just like tracing this one, the figure that we have here right now. Let's just trace this one. Okay, going down here. So you can use also PL here, and also in here. And then we're going to use again the fillet. So F, enter, so we can select this two. Okay, so just fillet this line, also this line, into radius of 0.5. Okay, just select this one, but I think it's not a 5, so we just have to explode this one. So again, fillet, because we said explode because we are doing the PL. So fillet, and then just select this one, radius of 0.5, and then this one here. Also here, fillet. This one, select this one, radius of 0.5, go in here. Also in here, in this area, this one, fillet this one, R, enter, 0.5, and then select the other half. Okay, and then just create a line from here, going down here to form. So let's see if our figure is correct. So turn off the, okay, so we have lost in here, we need line in here. Okay, next, let's see. So what's gonna be here, we need line in here. Again, here we need line. Here, go in this direction, just turn on our just turn on, go in here. Okay, just again, just check if your figure is correct once you turn off its figure. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So make sure that our figure here is correct. Here, this way. So I'm going to turn off the guidelines for our figure. Just turn off this one. It should be like this one. Okay. So now let's move. Let's proceed for our third isometric drawing. So first, let's just create the circle or the ellipse here. So EL, using the command EL, enter, isocircle from here. Make sure it's isoplane. The isoplane is correct, and then just create 1. Also EL again, isocircle from here by 0.5, radius of 0.5. Okay, and then we will going to create the polyline from here. We go in here. Also, if we go in here, if I'm not mistaken, here rather, here, and then in here. We just create line in here. So from here, go in here, and then line from here, go in here, and then just create another line from here, go in here. Okay, and then just going to copy this one for, I think, from, where's the line that we have in here? From here, go in here. Okay, and then just create line from here, this one. Yes, I'm going here. This one, with this one. Okay, the quadrant that we have here. And after that, just trim all the excess details that we will not use for our drawing. So I think I lost a line here, so later we're going to go back for the line. So let's just create again line from here, going down here, and then just select in here. Yeah, I think I lost this one, so let's just explode this one and then change the intersection of it. And then if we were going to close our guidelines, so make sure that it is a closed figure. Okay, closed figure, and then just turn on. Then we will going to go here for our last figure for this video. Just going to create here in the middle of it. Here, just create isocircle again. So EL using the ellipse. From here, just going to create this one. It's 0.5. So, but I think we're gonna move this one from here, going up in here, and then also here, just going to create Isocircle ellipse I here. So let's just change the isoplane of our given, just like this one. Okay, and then next after that, we're just going to create or trim this one. Create line from here, go in here, line again from here, go in here, line from here, and then we're just going to create line again, going passing through in here, also in here, line in here, also here, just traced all of this, and then after that we will go into fillet our figure. Okay, so yes, we're going to fillet this one later on. Okay, just going to have it in here. Make sure that it's correct in here. Also in here, just like this one. So if you can see, I have your, so just like lock out this one and then extend this line here, and then just lock it again. Okay, no lock. Okay, just going to lock this one. Okay, and then just going to perform first the fillet. So F, enter. From here, just going to fillet it by 1. Okay, says 1. Okay, sorry. So for example, fillet, select this line, reduce by 1, then select the other half. Also in here, perform again the and also 1. Okay, also here it says that we're going to fillet it by 1. Also in here, fillet it by 1. And lastly, yeah, we're done doing our figure 1 to 4. See you again for my next video. Bye!